Imagine a world where your thoughts no longer hold you back, where every negative belief that whispers you can't is replaced with a resounding you can. In this video, we look into the powerful practice of meditation specifically designed to clear those limiting beliefs that clutter our mental landscape. By the end of our video together, you'll have the tools to not only identify these beliefs but also transform them through meditation, paving the way for a clearer, more empowered mind. Limiting beliefs are deeply ingrained assumptions we hold about ourselves and the world that restrict our potential. Often, they form subconsciously over time through our experiences, the media, and the influence of those around us. These beliefs can be pervasive, affecting every decision we make, from our careers to our personal relationships. They create a detrimental filter through which we view our abilities and worth, such as thinking, "I am not good enough to achieve my dreams," or "I don't have what it takes to be happy." Recognizing these beliefs is the first critical step in changing them. It involves introspection and a willingness to challenge the validity of these ingrained thoughts. Ask yourself, what beliefs might be holding me back? How do they make me feel? Do they serve any positive purpose in my life today? This initial inquiry sets the foundation for the transformative work of meditation, where you'll learn not just to identify these negative patterns, but actively reshape them. Our brains are incredibly adaptive and capable of forming new neural pathways throughout our lives, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Limiting beliefs shape these pathways in ways that can lead to repeated negative thinking and behavior patterns. Meditation offers a way to reroute these paths. By engaging in regular meditative practice, we can weaken the neural connections that uphold our limiting beliefs and strengthen new pathways that foster more positive, supportive beliefs. Scientific research supports the efficacy of meditation in this rewiring process. Studies have shown that meditation not only reduces stress but also improves emotional health, enhances self-awareness, and increases attention span. More importantly, meditation has been found to affect the areas of the brain responsible for learning, memory, and self-awareness. Regular practice can actually change the structure of your brain, decreasing the density of brain tissue associated with anxiety and stress, and strengthening the areas that promote tranquility and concentration. By understanding these scientific foundations, you're better equipped to appreciate how meditation can be a potent tool for belief transformation. As you continue with the practice, each session builds upon the last, promoting mental clarity and resilience against old patterns of negative thinking. While you begin to prepare for meditation, it's important to create an environment that supports calmness and focus. Choose a quiet space where you will not be interrupted. This could be a corner of your bedroom, a dedicated meditation room, or even a peaceful spot outdoors. The key is consistency. Using the same space can help condition your mind to enter a meditative state more readily over time. The physical aspects of your environment also play a role. Ensure your seating is comfortable. This could be a chair with good back support or a cushion on the floor. The goal is to maintain a posture that is both alert and relaxed, helping you to stay focused yet at ease throughout the session. Additionally, consider the lighting. Soft, natural light is ideal. Some people find that certain elements like soothing instrumental music or the scent of lavender from a diffuser can enhance the meditation experience by engaging the senses gently and non-intrusively. Mental preparation is just as crucial. Before you begin, take a moment to clear your mind of the day's worries and tasks. A simple technique is to jot down any pressing thoughts on a piece of paper. This act of externalizing worries can help you set them aside for the duration of your meditation. Set a clear intention for your session. This could be something like, "I am learning to release my limiting beliefs." By stating your intention, you give your mind a purposeful direction, anchoring your meditation practice with a clear focus. Breathing is a fundamental aspect of meditation that serves as a gateway to control and tranquility. Begin your practice by focusing on your breath. This simple act can dramatically reduce stress levels, bringing immediate physical benefits such as lowered blood pressure and a slowed heart rate, which in turn help calm the mind. Start with deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, allowing your chest and belly to expand. Hold the breath for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Pay attention to the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body, the rise and fall of your chest, and the feelings of relaxation that accompany each exhale. This technique is known as diaphragmatic breathing, and it is especially effective at reducing anxiety and fostering a meditative state. To deepen your focus, you can incorporate counting into your breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and wait for 4 before beginning again. This method, often referred to as the box breathing technique, is useful for maintaining rhythm and preventing your mind from wandering. It keeps your mental energy engaged with your breath, serving as a continual reminder to release those limiting beliefs with each exhalation. By integrating these preparation and breathing techniques into your meditation routine, you set the stage for a successful practice. These foundational elements are critical as they help stabilize your emotions and sharpen your focus, preparing you for the deeper visualization affirmation work that follows in our meditation journey. Each step builds naturally upon the last, reinforcing your path towards clearing those deep-seated beliefs that limit your potential. Visualization is a powerful technique in meditation that allows you to harness your imagination to support positive changes in your life. We'll guide you through using visualization to reshape your limiting beliefs. Begin by settling into your meditation posture after completing your breathing exercises. With each breath, feel yourself growing more relaxed and open to change. Start the visualization process by picturing a scene where you are free from your limiting beliefs. Imagine a day in your life, experiencing it without those mental barriers. See yourself confidently taking actions that were once hindered by your negative beliefs. It's important to generate as vivid an image as possible. Notice the environment, the sounds, and even the smells around you. Feel the emotions associated with your freedom and success. The key here is to emotionally engage with the visualization, let it evoke a sense of accomplishment and joy. This practice not only helps in reprogramming your mindset but also in cementing the belief that you are capable of overcoming these mental constraints. As you become more comfortable with visualization, you can enhance this technique by adding layers to your scenario. For instance, if your limiting belief is that you are not good at public speaking, visualize yourself speaking confidently in front of a large audience, receiving applause. The more details you can add, the more real it becomes in your mind, gradually rewriting the narrative that you have created about your abilities. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeatedly say these affirmations to yourself, they can reinforce your visualization and help make positive changes in your mindset. After your visualization session, while your mind is still in a receptive state, begin to introduce affirmations that counteract your limiting beliefs. For instance, if you've visualized yourself being successful in public speaking, you might use affirmations like, "I am confident and articulate, and my words flow easily." Say these affirmations out loud, with conviction. Repeat them several times, and with each repetition, focus on believing the words you're saying. The combination of visualization and affirmations serves to embed these new positive beliefs deeply into your subconscious. It's beneficial to tailor your affirmations to reflect the personal growth you wish to see, ensuring they are always in the present tense, positive, and specific. By affirming these new beliefs, you help solidify the mental images you've created and accelerate the process of transforming your old, limiting beliefs into empowering ones. These techniques of visualization and affirmations are closely interlinked and mutually reinforcing. By practicing them regularly, you enhance their effectiveness and their power to affect meaningful change in your mental landscape. While you continue to visualize and affirm your new beliefs, you'll find that they begin to manifest in your actions and attitudes, leading to tangible improvements in your life and a gradual fading of those limiting beliefs that once held you back. Now that you have prepared your mind and body through breathing, visualization, and affirmations, let's move into a structured guided meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath to center yourself. Focus on the rhythm of your breathing to help anchor your mind in the present moment. Start by visualizing yourself in a peaceful place, a setting where you feel safe and relaxed. With each breath, dive deeper into tranquility. As you find yourself in this calm space, bring to mind the limiting belief you wish to release. Picture it as a physical object that you can see and touch. Imagine yourself holding this object in your hands. While you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a light surrounding this object, representing your new empowering beliefs. See this light as warm and soothing, gradually dissolving the object in your hands. With each breath, the object becomes smaller, the light growing brighter. Feel the weight of your limiting belief lifting, and with it, a sense of lightness filling your being. Let this visual process help you release those old patterns, replacing them with a renewed sense of potential and positivity. Once the object has completely dissolved, take a few moments to sit with the feelings of freedom and lightness. Remind yourself of the affirmations you practiced earlier. Repeat them now, reinforcing the positive changes you are making. As you conclude this meditation, take 3 deep breaths, and with each exhale, feel more refreshed and renewed. To truly benefit from meditation and ensure the lasting impact of this practice on clearing your limiting beliefs, consistency is key. Integrating meditation into your daily routine can help you maintain this positive momentum. Start by setting aside a specific time each day for meditation, ideally at the same time to establish a routine. Morning can be a great time as it sets the tone for the rest of your day, but choose a time that fits naturally into your schedule. You don't need to start with long sessions, even 5 to 10 minutes daily can make a significant difference. The goal is to make meditation a habit, something as integral to your daily life as brushing your teeth. Keep your practice simple and focused, and use the techniques discussed, breathing, visualization, and affirmations, to steadily work on overcoming your limiting beliefs. Additionally, you might find it helpful to create reminders around your living space, encouraging notes that prompt you to practice or affirmations that remind you of your meditation goals. Some people find that joining a meditation group or following guided meditations online can also provide structure and motivation. While you make meditation a regular part of your life, you'll likely notice subtle shifts in your thoughts and behaviors. These changes are signs that your efforts are taking root, helping you move beyond your limiting beliefs towards a more empowered and positive mindset. Each meditation session is a step forward in your journey of self-improvement. While you incorporate meditation into your daily routine, it's natural to encounter some challenges. These can range from finding it difficult to concentrate to feeling like you're not making progress quickly enough. It's important to recognize these as common experiences in the practice of meditation, not signs of failure. When distractions arise, gently acknowledge them without judgment and bring your focus back to your breath or affirmations. This act of refocusing is the practice of meditation, not a disruption of it. It strengthens your mental discipline every time you choose to return to meditation rather than following a distracting thought. If you feel emotional discomfort or resistance while meditating, especially as you confront deep-seated limiting beliefs, allow yourself to feel these emotions fully. Observe them with compassion and curiosity, rather than trying to force them away. Often, acknowledging and understanding our emotions leads to deeper insights and breakthroughs. Keep your expectations realistic. Change is gradual, and the benefits of meditation accumulate over time. Patience is key. Every session contributes to your growth, even if the immediate progress isn't visible. While we conclude this guided journey through meditation for clearing limiting beliefs, take a moment to acknowledge the work you've done. You've explored the fundamentals of meditation, learned techniques for preparation, breathing, visualization, and affirmations, and began integrating this practice into your daily life. The path to overcoming limiting beliefs through meditation is a continuous one, with each session building on the last. The key is persistence and consistency. Keep practicing, keep reflecting, and keep challenging the beliefs that hold you back. While you move forward, carry with you the tools and knowledge you've gained from this video. Allow them to guide you in moments of doubt and to fortify you in moments of strength. With each breath and each moment of awareness, you are stepping closer to a freer, more empowered self. Thank you for joining this meditation journey. Keep moving forward, one breath at a time, and watch as your life transforms, reflecting the profound inner changes you've started today.